Forget everything you know about construction. These guys are taking this industry to the next level, and doing it in style. Today we're going to show you the most ingenious construction workers that are on another level, and prove that nothing is impossible for a true professional. It usually takes a long time to take down scaffolding, but this worker was able to do it in a single motion. You are now witnessing the world's most accurate arborist at work, and for him, this is just the start of a typical workday. Professional builders don't know what it's like to procrastinate. Watch them build a roof faster than you can blink. Watching this guy do flooring, no matter what the challenge is. Proves that people can do anything. Respected him. Now this is what I call freaky fast delivery. These two workers just saved an entire neighborhood pipeline by clearing it before the freezing temperatures could damage it. Why work harder when you can work smarter? No, this isn't a training session of the coolest kung fu master. Just a day in the life of a professional builder. This worker's skill with the foam filling is like magic. It's going to take masters of cable management like these to These workers don't just lay tile, they create art. Check out that perfect circle. Hard to reach places. This builder doesn't even know what that means because he can climb anywhere. Watch this artist amazing.